Hey guys, David from Trade Support Group here. Hope everybody's doing well. On to our third free strategy this week. Now this is with the average true range and the commodity channel index. As you can see here, the average true range is on the bottom, CCI on top. Reason we use this one, another very simple, very easy strategy to use. This is the one where we had our big profit taking. If you saw the videos earlier, we made about $1,500 in one day using this simple strategy. So take a look here, guys, and you can adjust the CCI and the ATR from a 14-day period if you'd like, and I can explain why in other videos, but for now keep them on normal settings. So first things first, ATR on the bottom, CCI on top. We have their trend lines essentially meeting towards one another here, and we see the kind of movement we get, which is a down movement. The CCI indicates price action, and the ATR is more of its average true range. So let's look at it as the push, the momentum behind it. So when these two are meeting, we see a strong pull down. All right, and then once we start to get going into this bullish market, take a look at something here, guys. You'll notice that the ATR lays fairly flat, but during this time, CCI starts to uptrend. All right, and essentially, while we're in a bullish market, as you can see here, anytime again we have an oversold CCI during this time, it's likely a good entry point. All right. Notice the biggest movements we have, especially after this shaded area here. It's a pretty flat zone. What happens is this lays flat, the ATR. We do have some movement with the CCI, but nothing with the ATR. So without one, we don't have the other. But notice we start to see a turnaround here and a spike really high and a slow moving uptrend with this. A great indication that something is about to happen, and boom, you have a pip jump of. So let's take a look. From just this one power movement here, we're looking at about 475 pips. Great indication. This is on an hourly chart, perfect for an ideal day trader. We can show you the strategy on a scalp. Watch our videos, take a look, guys, like and subscribe. We will teach you all of these easy to use strategies. Learn to trade from home, get a personal coach with us, and get started today for free with a free consultation. Speak with you guys soon.